back to the Cooking Hub. Today I bring to you a healthy breakfast recipe, that is the PB&J instant oatmeal peanut butter and jelly instant oatmeal recipe. I usually sometimes on Saturdays and Sundays I like having this for breakfast, and it gives me a good kick, plus it's very healthy and yummy, and the color is going to be amazing. So yes, let's get started in making this recipe. So to make the peanut butter and jelly overnight oats, I'm going to be taking half cup of oats. Now if you're taking instant oats, this recipe will be ready within 2 hours, and if you're using old-fashioned roll oats, you just have to freeze it 4 hours or overnight. So I'm taking in half cup of instant oats. As I didn't have the traditional oats, I just decided to use instant oats because traditional rolled oats are not available in all the countries, so it's okay if you use the instant oats. So I'm taking a mason jar and I'm adding in the oats inside. So I just added half cup of oats. Next in, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds goes inside, 1 tablespoon. Next in, adding in 3/4 cup of almond milk. Use any dairy free milk. So I have almond milk over here, 3/4 cup of that. As I don't have any yogurt, I'm using in 3/4 cup of milk. I'm going to stir in all these ingredients just a little bit, not too much. There we go, I've mixed in. So as the recipe's name is peanut butter and jelly, I have some natural homemade peanut butter. Adding in 2 tablespoons of natural homemade peanut butter. You can see my other previous video where I'm showing you how to prepare homemade peanut butter. So 2 tablespoons, just a little bit. Peanut butter is healthy and nutritious, and if you make this recipe, it's going to be very nice for breakfast. Half a tablespoon of honey, just for that natural sweetness. After adding in the honey, I'm again going to give it a quick mix. So as I've used instant oats, I'm just going to freeze this only for 2 hours. So after mixing this, now comes the main part, that is the jelly. So I'm going to be using jam for this recipe. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of mixed fruit jam. So 2 tablespoons, just a little bit more, as I don't have my measuring spoon. There we go. Now that I've added the jam, I'm going to give it a quick mix. Mix it nicely and gently. Okay, now I've mixed all this well. It's completely nice and combined. Now if you wish, you can just add in the chopped banana at this stage, or if you wish, you can allow this mixture. You just close the lid, keep it in the refrigerator for around 2 hours, and you can add the bananas. So I'm just going to add in chopped bananas. I'm taking in 1 banana, chopping it finely and adding in the chopped bananas. So it's your wish. If you like eating frozen bananas, add it at this stage, or else just freeze the oats in the refrigerator for 2 hours and then add the bananas later. So adding in all the bananas. Imagine if in the morning you get to eat this lovely, nice and tasty breakfast. What else do you want in life except this lovely, tasty breakfast? Now if you're tired of having bread and jam daily, do try this recipe. Plus if you're someone who doesn't like the taste of peanut butter, then this is something that you should try. So I'm mixing it well again, so that the chia seeds, the oats, the fruit, the jam, everything comes together. Now this is one of my tasty favorite recipes. Let me show you how it looks like. Just see this. Beautiful, lovely and tasty. Now this is completely done, as we are going to be getting some little sweetness from the banana and some little sweetness from the honey that we added. Otherwise it's going to be lovely. It has a nutty flavor from the peanut butter, and this is ready. I'm going to close the lid. I'm just going to close the lid. This goes in the refrigerator for 2 hours. If you're using old-fashioned rolled oats, it is required for you guys to at least refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. And trust me, it's going to be so yummy, so delicious, so healthy, so filling. Like, you can just have this lovely breakfast and you will be full. You won't be feeling hungry at least 4 to 5 hours. Plus it's healthy. It has a beautiful blend of ingredients that are tasty plus healthy. So yes, now time to refrigerate it. So I'll see you guys after 2 hours. I'm super excited. Goodbye. See you after 2 hours. Hey guys, so I'm back. It has been 2 hours and our PB&J, that is the peanut butter and jelly overnight oatmeal, or you may say instant oatmeal, is completely ready. So before opening it, I'll just give it a quick shake. So just shake it. Shake it and shake it. Shake it and shake it. You can see the jelly part has gone down. Just shake it like this. It's going to taste amazing. Shake it once or twice more. You can also take it like this at your workplace. Just buy such mason jars. With this you can get such type, 2 of them, one with a hole and one like this. You can just carry it in your handbag. You can make this, store it overnight, and in the morning when you're going at work, just take it at your workplace. So this is simply ready, and I'm going to open it. Oh wow, amazing. This is so good. Oh my god, just see this. Healthy and delicious oatmeal. It is absolutely lovely. So this recipe is completely ready. You can serve this chilled, or you can just have it fresh. Like, you can just remove it from the refrigerator like 1 hour advance, and you can just have it if you don't like for the refrigerator taste. So now in this peanut butter and jelly overnight oatmeal or instant oatmeal, I'm going to add in some pista flakes. You can add in any nut of your choice. Some pista flakes, that's it. And now this recipe is completely ready. So oats are incredibly nutritious. Whole oats are rich in antioxidants, so this is a really good option for breakfast in the morning. It can lower the cholesterol levels and protect LDL cholesterol from damaging. Oats can also improve blood sugar control. It is very filling, and it can also help you to lose weight. And also you can have it as an evening snack, or you can snack on it anytime you feel hungry. Fiber is responsible for a number of health benefits in the oats, so it's a very healthy breakfast. And also we have added in some chia seeds and also pista. So chia seeds, and also in this recipe we have not used any milk, just normal regular cow milk or anything like that. It's better to use in almond milk or cashew milk or any other dairy free milk. You can also use soy milk or oat milk in this recipe, but as I had almond milk, I just used almond milk. And also if you want to know how homemade almond milk is made, I can show you. Just comment down in the recipe and I'll show you how it's made. It's very easy and simple. So this yummy recipe is ready. And also we've not added in any refined sugar. We've used honey, and also as we have added the bananas are also going to give us that slight sweetness. And also I don't like having a lot of sweet in early in the morning. So this recipe is completely ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you want to learn more healthy recipes or any other recipes that you would like me to teach you guys, comment in the comment section below. Any suggestions and all that are always welcomed. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and God bless you.